Hello there guys, in this video I will show you how to use green screen on TikTok with multiply photos. First guys, go and open your TikTok application and then select the third section that is creating or adding the plus icon. Then guys, you should go on the effects on your left wing and then you should select the green screen effect. Here it is, the green screen effect. Now guys, what you need to do is just simply go for the plus icon here and choose the photo that wanna be included in your site. For example, we'll scroll down and we're gonna get it with, as you can see guys, right after that I have an option for transcription my size, and as you can see the size can be changed in just a few seconds by dragging and putting down. Also you can get a better position for you, and we'll go with this one because I don't want to get a lot of changes right over here. Now guys, what I need to do is just simply go for the site that is called down to recording. Just go record and then get it again, go on the site, click on the effects again. Now again you need to go on the plus icon, or you should just scroll on your right side and here you can find the photos, in which case for example will be this one. Now also go again, here you need to record again by tapping on the record button. Right after that, go back on the effect side, go choose another photo, for example this one, and right after that go again, record it again, then get back again on the effects, scroll right, find another photo, for example this one, and right after that go record it. You need to wait until the video ended the selected site. And here guys, as you can see, we have use our green screen on TikTok with multiply photos. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon guys.